What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So here is the SSD versus the hard drive. They nearly cost the same amount. This is 1 TB SSD, this is 4 TB hard drive. I mean this one have the built-in cable, this one uses USB-C. So normally why you need a SSD? You need a SSD if you are moving large file, or you need a SSD if you literally move again large file, or you use it for rendering video. For rendering video, most of two are the speed are the same. If you use Sony Vegas Power Director any, it doesn't really matter. The thing matter is that if we are pulling the data from the, if we are importing video in your editor and then try to edit and add some large color grading, then you need SSD. If you can easily do on the traditional spinning hard drive, you are thinking you are going to get a SSD just to render video, it will be faster. No, that difference will be like minor, negligible. But SSD is literally with nothing. I mean, this thing like empty box. This seems like there's nothing inside. This feel like a hard drive is heavy. This thing I can torture this SSD, still it will work. This one I need to be careful. By mistake, if the spinning break, I am screw. Literally, you can just say that I am screw. So I need to be very careful. I mean, how I'm carrying this one. Again, use this one for storing like your videos, photos, I mean games, like games backup or something like that. I mean, if you're just buying a hard drive for the games, you don't need SSD. For PlayStation or Steam backup or installing games from Steam or whatever, get this one. SSD if you want reliability, if you are a traveler, if you are a photographer, if you want, you can buy a USB-C SSD. You can easily connect with the iPad, your phone. Sometimes the hard drive work, or sometimes the hard drive do not work. Again, it depends on the power. So yeah, this is it. My recommendation will be that only get a traditional hard drive for storing large amount of data. Other than that, you don't need a hard drive. You just get a SSD. 1 TB SSD is more than enough. Do you really need 4 TB? They are same price. Same price. 1 TB, 4 TB, $99 both of them. I will be throwing the link in the description box below. For rendering video, you don't need a SSD. You need a SSD when you copy the file on the SSD, then you are importing in the Power Director, it will be faster, or any editor. But if you already copy the files on your laptop which have a SSD, and then you're importing it from there, and then you think you do not have enough space on your laptop, you're thinking to buy SSD. No, it will not matter. I mean, if you really want faster performance, then I will say get a NVMe SSD. Yes, NVMe SSD. Get NVMe SSD 2280 NVMe SSD, and buy an enclosure, USB-C enclosure, and I use that one. That one will be much better than a traditional SSD. I hope
So
this
here
answers the
it
question.
is. I'm using this my passport Go SSD to compare with this one Western Digital 4 TB version. Okay. So the result for the traditional hard drive, the My Passport Ultra, the HHD, I mean. So this it is. Again, it's very fast. Again, this is a spinning hard drive. For spinning hard drive, 5400 RPM is very fast. And this one is for the SSD. But again, you'll be thinking that it's around 3 times faster. It's not that faster. Read is faster only, but write is same. Write is like only 10 to 15% difference, same. I do not see a reason why you should get SSD again if you are just going to get for write. Read is faster. Again, if you are going to store your video editing file, and then you're going to import in a video editor, then SSD will be faster. But for write is same. But again, now I want to do a real world test. First, I want to copy the file in the My Passport Ultra. Okay, here we go. My Passport Ultra. Okay, let me just make it. I want to copy the file at same time. And this one is the, on the right side is the SSD, left, this left side is the My Passport Ultra. Okay, and this is the, okay, I'm going to copy around this, around 2 GB file. Okay, copy. Okay, they're going at the same speed, nearly same as you can see. Let's see which one is going to finish faster. This one is the hard drive, this one is the SSD. I couldn't believe it. The My Passport Ultra, the traditional hard drive is faster. Is faster. Let me try again with a different file. This time first I'm going to copy on the SSD, My Passport SSD, this one, and then the traditional hard drive, My Passport Ultra. This one is the Ultra one. Okay, here we go. I mean, I do not see a reason why you should get a SSD over the My Passport Ultra, because you are getting 4 times the storage. Again, the My Passport Ultra one. So here it is. I will I will recommend just get the My Passport. Do not think it's for Mac. I'm using for Windows. It easily work with Windows, no problem. Get this one, 4 terabyte compared to 1 terabyte. You see the price difference, 172. Or you can get a 5 terabyte for that amount of money, but I will say the cost efficient will be the 4 terabyte. I mean, so the real winner is the, am I recording? Yeah. So the real winner is the My Passport Ultra SSD loose. Yeah, SSD loose. It was me, Jimmy a Geek. Again, you will be seeing this benchmark, the real world performances in front of you. It was me, Jimmy a Geek. Subscribe.
لست للفردوس آلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي